once you walk in, there's no way back.
Okay. Let me show you how it's done.
I just took a photo. I thought it was a video.
No.
Yeah, look, we can do it also from here. You ready? Cheese.
And that could be the thumbnail.
Yeah, why not? Doable.
Why not? So what is it that we're going to do like this morning?
Find a pair of sunglasses for you because you're blind.
No, I'm fine. No, I don't like sunglasses.
It's breakfast vlog.
It's breakfast vlog.
Watch out for the car. Should we take a shortcut?
Yes.
Let's take a shortcut.
Yes.
We lost Chiara. And she's back.
I had to cross the street, you know, like since we moved back from London, I got a little bit messed up with the crossing thing because I don't know where to look at.
She doesn't know where to look.
I don't know.
Let's go. And I killed myself. This is so sketchy.
It's too much of a gap.
Yeah, I tell you what, like I was trying to ollie from here to there, but then I got stuck in my wheels there. As it happens. So what do you feel like eating?
Everything.
Okay, then I'm gonna take you to a lovely cafeteria and one of my favorite places in town.
Yes.
Huh?
We're gonna show them super Italian breakfast.
The super Italian breakfast. Are you ready for this?
Is it this one?
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
I have to ask you 3 times at least
At
because
least.
once you walk in, there's no way back. Because I know you're gonna fall in love with the place.
I'm pretty sure.
So if you're ready for this, let's go in.
Let's get in. I'm hungry.
Let's grab a seat. Okay.
They cannot see.
You cannot see me. Yeah, you're right. I have to wear my glasses, otherwise I'm blind. Yes, I swear, like when there's light, you're stretching yours too.
Yeah, but just a little bit.
I'm blind. And here's our...
No?
It's not.
It's not. Oh,
We're sitting
no.
in this beautiful backyard.
It is really cool.
And yeah, we're waiting for our breakfast.
Let's show them around.
Lovely.
Beautiful.
What were you saying?
We have a plan for this video. It's not that like
have
we're
a
just
plan.
waiting for our breakfast, but it's
Blend.
breakfast time. And there's a lot that we want to talk about.
Yeah.
About XYZ, the physical building that we are creating.
Yeah. She has the bullet point list.
Yes, I do. Like here. I have it here.
What do we had on the agenda for today's breakfast?
The first finger has written what about the construction plan. How's it going with XYZ?
Let me check on mine. The construction is going well. And I think this is actually an interesting point. So we're going to bring you guys up to speed on how XYZ is going to be structured. So essentially there's going to be an underground layer dedicated entirely to creative activities. So it's going to be an underground creative space. It's going to be a living area at the next floor. And then at level 1, we're going to have an entire space dedicated to everything that has to do with the communication, the planning,
Collaborations.
We're gonna have accommodation,
Yes,
space
meeting
for
room.
Yeah, and
Yes.
then we have the top tower,
Yes.
or I don't even know how should we call it. We still have to find a name for it, but it's like the top of the building. That's a.
I call it a tower.
She calls it a tower,
It
but
is
it's going to be
my tower.
It's Chiara's tower, but it's going to be a surprise.
Absolutely, yes.
It's going to be a surprise.
Because it's so cool. We do want to give the space to have a space to create, because there is nothing like this, not only in this region, I believe in the country.
Yeah. The XYZ building is going to be structured. What's that? What's that? Shall we try this cappuccino before it's gonna get cold?
Yes, please. Let me show you how it's done. This is how I put sugar. Because then, what you have to do, this is
Explain
like
to me.
really science. Then you just have to pull it down. Because I don't want to have the sugar on my phone, on my foam, and then
And then?
you just blend it.
Okay.
Like on the bottom.
Okay, you want me to show you how I do it?
Yes,
So here's how I do it.
I'm ready.
You ready?
Ready.
You wanna get a close up?
I will.
Check this out.
Oh my god, no. Why?
See, you have two interesting points here. You have the added value of having the cream or the foam, as you like to call it, which you can mix with the sugar and it's gonna taste like something rather than nothing. And then if you're really want to add a little bit of sugar, then you can just mix it like this and it's gonna be a perfect cappuccino. You don't even have to do any extra step. So now I have like a sugary cappuccino and delicious foam or cream. That's how I like it.
Yeah, I know. Everybody's different.
Cheers.
Cheers. We shouldn't do like a toast with cappuccinos.
Why
but-
not? Hasn't gone in the fight with the most gigantic, how do you call this?
Croissant.
Croissant?
It's beautiful.
Is it? It's beautiful. Does it?
Touch it.
I was taking off like there was one thing on top of it.
It's
Sorry.
all delicious. You have to eat it all. Actually, let me give a bite.
You lick it.
Giant. It's like, this is my face.
It's bigger than your face.
That's how I do it.
Italian breakfast. How is it? Oh my
It's
God,
better than yours.
It's chocolate.
I
You haven't
know.
even tested mine.
I know, but I see you already.
Here's mine. Around, keep disseminating sugar all over the table.
All over. Yeah.
Mm.
It's fresh jam, so something that you don't find very, like, really in common bars or cafes. This is like proper jam, like the one that is made with fruit.
It's not artificial jam.
Oh,
Cheers.
it's probably organic as well, you know.
The great thing about this cafeteria in Corigliano is the fact that every time you come here, you get a croissant or a brioche.
And bells.
They're gonna fill it with fresh cream or fresh jam,
Yeah.
and you choose whatever you want in it.
Yeah, so it's a sugar overload, but it's necessary sometimes.
Ah, I'm funny.
Yeah.
How about you?
I am funny as well. You're very funny.
Contactless.
Yes. Tidin.
Done.
Grazie mille.
Gentilissimi.
Buona giornata, buon
Ciao,
lavoro.
buona giornata. Okay. How did you enjoy your Italian breakfast? Super Italian breakfast. Which way shall we go now?
This way.
Neptune fountains.
Yes! Piccadilly Circus.
Yeah, we're right in front of Piccadilly. Wait, let me point at it. I can't focus. Yay! There.
Piccadilly Circus.
The Piccadilly.
Absolutely, yeah, it looks
Yeah,
the same.
better.
It looks the same.
Exactly the same. In fact, for a
Don't you
second, I
see?
felt lost, to be honest with you. And there is Nettuno. Chiara, want to help me with the narrative?
I have no idea about the narrative. The fountain.
Oh, of course. The fountain.
Yeah, now it's so hot that I wish it was a swimming pool. But it's okay, I will not do it maybe for now this time. We have to come at night. Shh.
Let's add it to the to-do list.
Yes, add it to the to-do list.
Okay, now that we have seen the fountain and
Piccadilly Circus.
and Piccadilly Circus and all that, do you feel full of energy, ready to start the day?
Absolutely, yes.
Follow me then. We have a busy schedule ahead in the next couple of days. Today we're going to take care of the acoustic insulation of the underground floor. Then we have to, well,
The cabling as well.
complete the cabling and all the cable infrastructure of the creative space.
Yes.
And then we're gonna wait for this, well, tons of concrete that are gonna be layered on top of it.
Yeah, like physically tons of them.
Yeah, so now that you know how to pour
Sugar?
into a
A very
cappuccino.
Italian cappuccino.
Yeah, the Italian way. I'll leave you the call to action,
Absolutely, yes.
as usual.
So, like this breakfast time video, subscribe to the channel,
Just if you like.
just if you like,
Just if you like.
and
Stay tuned. We're gonna keep you posted.
ciao!
Ciao.